So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'd be covering the topics relating to copying the elements of list from one list to another list. So let's say you have a list 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So these are the list elements, and let's say you have another list 2, let's say, and it's an empty list. And now what you want to do is copy the elements of list 1 to list 2, or list to list 2. So one thing that comes to our mind in the first thought process is that we can write list 2 equals list, and we might be thinking after printing this statement that the job is working fine. We could be deluded over here, because when we write list dot append 5, what would this be doing? It would be appending an element at the end of it. And now when I write this statement, you can see that even when I'm editing list, the first object, it is affecting the list 2 object as well. So I don't want this, yeah. But why is this happening? So let's understand this. So let's say when I write this statement, list is getting tagged to the memory location allocated to this list object. So when I write list equals 1, 2, 3, list of 1, 2, 3, what is happening actually is this memory location is getting tagged with an object called list. And now when I write this statement, this is editing this thing to list. And if you are not able to understand the thing that I'm doing right now, you might want to go on into the description. I've linked a video over there about explaining this thing. You might refer that and might return after watching that video and can watch this video. You would be able to understand the concepts more clearly. Anyways, briefly talking, this statement tags both of these objects to the same memory location. So when I'm appending or when I'm editing list 1, it is editing this memory location, which in turn is editing list 2. And that's why while printing list 2, it's also getting edited. So how can we avoid this? So first of all, let me erase this thing. So whenever you are trying to copy elements from one list to another, this is not an appropriate way, because while you would be editing list 2 would also be getting edited. So one thing that you can do is you can write this statement. What would this be doing is it would be creating a different memory location. So this statement would be changing from this to, let's say, y00. So what is happening is this list is getting a different memory location and list 2 is getting a different memory location. So now even if I'm messing around with list, list 2 won't get affected. So if I print list 2 and let's say I'm doing something with list 1, not printing it, let's say I'm doing something with list 1, list for that matter, let's say I'm appending 5 to it. So now list 2 should not be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I print it out, yes, I can see that list 2 is not getting affected because of the statement. You can also try it out. There is another syntax for this, which is dot copy. Both does the same job. See, both does the same job. Well, I prefer the previous statement, which was this. You can go with any of them. Both works the same. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching it. I hope you learned something new in this video, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.